Amy. Today, technology is evolving so fast that the world is gradually moving to an era where people in the workplace will be replaced by robots. Amy, the robot waiter you are seeing on the screen right now, is the best proof of that. Developed by Chinese specialists from CJSBot, Amy is designed to free people from the routine of serving food at restaurants, while at the same time increasing the owner's profit. Amy knows how to deliver plates to the right table, read the menu out loud, and can even pick up dirty dishes from the table as well. It can also welcome guests at the entrance. The robot does all this with a smile. The LED screen imitates a human face. The robot has special spatial perception abilities too. It can avoid obstacles, including people, and doesn't need tracks or wires to move around. Amy works thanks to a battery that can last up to 12 hours. Digit. Delivery from stores directly to your front door is not surprising anymore. In fact, it's become an integral part of almost everyone's life. Nevertheless, it's not very efficient to entrust the transport of goods to people, so in future, robots will replace us as well. You can already see some advances in this field today. Digit is an invention of the US company Agility Robotics. The robot is anthropomorphic, but the head is replaced by a special LiDAR to monitor everything that's happening around it. The robot notices obstacles and avoids them. But what does Digit do? It lifts boxes and then delivers them to the right place. In this case, a porch. It has a folding structure, so it takes up almost no space inside the car. Today, Digit is part of a drone delivery project under development. It works along with a self-driving car, receives real-time data from a computer, and maps the route to the customer's door. The carrying capacity at the moment is 18 kilograms. Wing. The traditional method of delivering goods, however, is not the only one. Another solution, which will soon become very popular, is using delivery drones. The advantages in this case are pretty obvious. Drones move by air, don't get stuck in traffic jams, aren't limited by roads, and therefore are able to deliver any goods in the shortest possible time. The drone's speed is 100 kilometers per hour. The device works autonomously, which means it allows companies to save more money. But that's not all. The drones developed by Wing can find the right customer via their smartphone. This means that you don't need to specify a delivery address. The parcel will simply come to you wherever you are. This technology is already in use. You can see it in Helsinki in Finland, Christiansburg in the USA, and Canberra and Logan City in Australia. Enimal. This invention was first shown at CES in 2019. This four-legged robot, developed by specialists from Switzerland, is ready to overcome long distances just to deliver goods to people as soon as possible. Enimal successfully moves on different types of surfaces and isn't afraid of rough terrain, water, snow, stairs, or curbs. To navigate in space and not to collide with any objects, the robot uses a built-in camera and laser sensors. On its back, it's able to carry loads weighing up to 10 kilograms. Interestingly, Enimal's legs can do much more than just walk. They rise and have their own functionality that greatly expands the robot's capabilities. For example, the device is able to press an elevator button or ring the doorbell. The Renault Easy Pro. Here's a whole autonomous vehicle designed to take deliveries to a whole new level. But for now, it's just a concept. The Easy Pro is an electric truck. Several vehicles can work together, traveling as a convoy. The Easy Pro vehicles leave the base together, then they part ways and deliver different goods to different addresses. It's noteworthy that one group of vehicles is controlled by one operator. This person is not a driver but a logistics operator. It supervises the delivery process and makes sure that fragile products are handed to the customer. Starship. But delivery robots don't have to be huge or look like a robot from the Terminator. Specialists from the Californian company Starship created a tiny, cute delivery vehicle. It can deliver goods just as well as the rest of the robots that we've shown you today. The only difference is that Starship is designed to work on university or company campuses. The developer's idea is pretty simple. Modern students and workers don't have much time. You spend your precious free time walking to the cafeteria and waiting in line, and this can be a real burden. Starship is the solution to this problem. All the user has to do is order something through the app. The robot then waits for the meal to be ready and delivers it to you. Tests show that Starship brings food in 6 to 15 minutes. The user can use this time to rest or work without getting distracted. Uber Air Drones. Fortunately, you can also order food from outside the campus, this time thanks to Uber. Its experts have developed a whole project to deliver food fast and efficiently. The delivery process consists of 2 stages. First, the order is transported by a tiny drone that can reach a speed of 48 km per hour. The device is designed for short flights, not exceeding 20 km. Only 2 portions will fit on board. But instead of flying directly to the customer's house, the drone lands at a special station. Here begins the second stage. A delivery person takes the order and then carries it to the right place. It may seem that the system can be problematic, but it actually works pretty well. According to the plan, the project will significantly reduce traffic jams on the roads, especially in big cities. Cleveron Robot Courier. E-commerce is steadily growing, so the introduction of delivery robots is not a dream anymore, but a necessity. Several years ago, the Estonian company Cleveron showed its vision of a delivery robot from the future. The device performs the final stage of delivery from the nearest warehouse to the customer's home. The package is placed inside the robot, where it's protected from intruders. The robot moves along public roads, arrives at the specified address, and then places the cargo in a special box. Once the product's been delivered, the customer receives a notification. All they have to do is pick up the package outside the house.